My savage and my savage and my savage. We back with another VVS Diamond video, and I know it's been a minute, but before we get into it, you already know what you need to do. I need y'all to spam that like button, give me the 200 likes, subscribe and share, and tell a friend about the money man you already know. And no, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to buy, sell, trade, swap, get to your grandmama, your granddaddy. This is just for entertainment purposes only. Now listen, my savage, I know it's been a while, but I've been on the Crow King, man. Everybody been on that Crow King, on that Chrono blockchain, but we back on these diamonds right now. And I don't know if y'all remember that when I did my video about the 2022 roadmap, this right here, the smart removal for LPs is finally here. And we about to go over it. We about to see what it do and see what VVS doing with it. But before we get into it, market cap 189 million. It done dropped. It need to get back to 200 million, and then we'll be alright and up. 1.2 billion in the liquidity. People still staking. You know what I'm saying? And what smart removal is got to do with the staking in the LPs, man. You can see the token down right now, almost 2% on the day. Like I said, it depends on you watching the video. But introducing smart LP beta. The world of DeFi is amazing and liberating place with the supportive community and insane APYs we get back on our investments. However, impermanent loss is something we have consistently battled in this space. Now, with the smart LP removal, it won't be any more impermanent loss. As long as you set it to your original investment. That's basically what you're doing, like a sell order or a limit sale or a stop sale, a stop order, like in stock, with the stock lingo, you know what I'm saying? But basically, you set it where you want to kick you out of the LP if it reached this certain amount. So, like if you put in 300 and then let's say it goes up, your $300 goes up to 350, and then all of a sudden, like what's going on right now, the market just dipped, and now you back to 300. It's gonna kick you out if you set your LP at 300. If you didn't set it at 300, then whatever you set it at, that's where it's gonna kick you out. Or, like it says, you can still remove your total investment at any time. You know what I'm saying? Remove all of it without having a smart LP. But a smart LP is basically to prevent impermanent loss. Now, impermanent loss is when you combine the two tokens and one of the tokens or both of the tokens goes down. You lose money with one of the tokens goes down because they're not equivalent no more to the way you put it in the LP. So I took mine out. Some of y'all said, Moneymane, what you doing? Why you doing that? Don't sell. I'm not selling. All I'm doing is just breaking up my coins that I already put in. So when I did that, I don't know if y'all know about Crow King, but some of y'all do my real true savages that watch all my videos. Y'all know about Crow King. It was a good thing I did do it because I ain't know Crow King was gonna take off like it did. And the price of VVS and Crow went down, so I would have lost almost all my investment if I didn't take it out where I put it at when I took it out when I did. You know what I'm saying? Let me get it out now. So that's what that deal is. Like, it's a perfect time with both of the coins being down right now. It's a perfect time to get back in this LP, or you want to wait a little bit like me because I ran out of money messing with that Crow King. But it's a good time to get in the LP just because you can get in with more for a lower price. And then with the smart LP, you can get out if it goes lower. You get what I'm saying? So that's the whole point of the smart LP. Now, smart LP allows liquidity providers on VVS to manage their exit strategy by setting conditions on when to execute the LP removal. Simply set the amount of LP tokens you would like to remove and the desired target amount for each component token. Approve the smart contract transaction, and you're done. The smart LP removal will only be executed once conditions are met, and that's what I just explained. But you know, I just wanted to simplify it to all my savages. Y'all know, like, I bring and simplify things to y'all. That's why y'all like me and love me. You know what I'm saying? Like, subscribe, and share, and tell a friend about that money, man. You already know. I appreciate y'all. But they also introducing a My Liquidity tab under the dashboard page. It's a convenient way for liquidity providers to see all their pending smart LP removal orders waiting to be executed. Now, I don't know if I can, oh, yeah, I can zoom in on it. There you go. Because they're just showing you what it looks like. Now, I don't know. I don't have any LP staked, so I don't know if I can bring it up on VVS itself, because I ain't got, like I said, I ain't got no LP stake. But if you see it right here, it has the smart remove button and the regular remove button. So you can smart remove, set your conditions, and then, like I said, they're going to kick you out when they meet those conditions, just like VVS say. Now, this, like I said, will probably curve in permanent loss. I ain't going to say it's going to get rid of it completely until we use it and learn it. But I think this is a game changer for liquidity staking. You know what I'm saying? Liquidity pool, liquidity providers. This is a game changer, because if you can get rid of impermanent loss, a lot of people would be happy and stake more in the LPs, especially those risky ones that are not stable coins. If you don't know what a stable coin, basically it is USDC, and USDT. Those are stable coins. Stable coins are they barely move past $1. They don't go up and they don't go down. They stay consistent. That's what you need to beat impermanent loss in an LP. But with the smart LP, where you can set your conditions, like I said, I'm just repeating myself. You know what I'm saying? So let's go to the Twitter right quick. You can find this on VVS Finance Twitter. Like I said, view your liquidity assets, target condition for LP removal. Still earn a VVS reward. You still gonna earn your VVS reward with your smart LP removal. 2, allows liquidity providers to manage their exit strategy by setting conditions. We just did all that, and it's just showing you pictures. So I'm gonna click on some of these pictures and see, can we get a little closer look. So here we go. Remove VVS Crow. This is the one I get back in because it has the highest multiplier. But remove, you see the remove right there, and then you got remove, and then the conditions for each token. So let's just say VVS hit 4 zeros 1. Then that's when you want to kick it out, and you set the Crow. Let's say Crow hit 30 cents, then you kick it out. You know what I'm saying? And then you set the same conditions for your LPs. How many LP tokens you got, VVS and Crow combined, you set that too. So I'm guessing with all 3 of those match, or even just one, I think it'll kick you out. That's the way I'm thinking. Thinking it works. If either one of those 3 happen, it'll kick you out. So that's a good thing. Like I said, curve and permanent loss. Let's see. Let's go look at the other picture real quick. Let's see. Can we see that one? This one right here. It's the same thing. Same picture. It just got numbers in it now. That's all it is. It just got numbers in it. So you got remove 5,000 is the LP, and then conditions VVS that look like 627,000, and then you got 42 Crow. So that's what you, and it looked like it got a target at the bottom. You, like I said, you got to play with it to see how it really actually work, or somebody make a video using it, or because I got to wait till I get back in it, because I ain't in it right now. But I'll get back in it at some point when I get get some more money, man. You know what I'm saying? But this is it, man. This is what we've been waiting on. That's why I was talking about on the smart LP in the roadmap. I was waiting on this to get back in VVS. The glitter, not the glitter mine, but the farms. I was waiting on this to happen to get back in the farms on the VVS. That's why I pulled out. Because people don't tell you about impermanent loss. They don't. They do not tell you about impermanent loss unless you look it up and or already know what it is, or somebody tell you. You won't know about it. So I'll let y'all know about it. I got a lot of views on that video. I appreciate y'all. And this looked like the dashboard for the liquidity overall liquidity information. So yeah, everything is gonna be a-okay. And people were saying VVS is done. I was like, impossible. VVS cannot be done if Crypto.com, the company, is backing their #1 token on the Cronos blockchain, and that's VVS. And yes, Crypto.com created VVS. So why won't they do the best possible they can with it and bring more utility to this token? You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, I ain't want to keep y'all too long, man. I just wanted to introduce that because, like I said, I was talking about it and I was waiting on it. And I know some of y'all, my real true savages that's in this VVS with me, been waiting on this too. But I know a lot of y'all was still holding, but not me, because when I found out this was coming, I definitely wanted to wait. But that's what it is, man. It is what it is. Y'all do what you want. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, but y'all already know what time it is. My savage, y'all, stop playing with me. My savages. Moneymane and the thing of a T and playing no games. Should I already know my name when I speak in CC flame. Got my YouTube popping, man. Like, subscribing, everything in between. You already know. Moneymane. You already know.